Hey guys, it's Arcade and you cannot see me today, but I'm gonna show you how to make it look like you know how to play the piano. Even though you don't need any music theory or any skill with the piano to learn what I'm gonna teach you today. Also, this video is brought to you by Skillshare. More on that later. So yeah, I'm gonna show you a few levels of how you can do this. I myself don't know any music theory. I learned the piano by myself by watching YouTube videos and stuff like that. So you can do that as well. And today I'm gonna show you a very easy way to create songs on the go, basically to improvise, and it's not hard to learn at all. So here is an example of what I'm gonna teach you today. So yeah, that's one example of something that you can learn today. It's basically an improvisation. I made that song on the spot. I'm gonna show you one more, and then I'm gonna show you how you can do it as well. Okay, so that's another improvisation, and you can pretty much go infinitely with these ones. You can just make songs forever. If you want to play for an hour, you can make a lot of different songs in that hour just by playing the same chords over and over, but switching up the melodies. So yeah, let me teach you how to do that. I'm gonna show you two ways. One will be really simple and one a little bit more difficult. So way number one is gonna be just two fingers, and here are the notes we can use. You can go with different chords, but I'm gonna use D and G, and then A. So that's the first one. And in the right hand, you can play any of the white notes. So yeah, we're gonna stick to the white notes because they are easier to learn with. In the left one, we're gonna switch between. So that's gonna be it, essentially. And that's our first improvisation in a very simple way. Anyone can do it. Just stick to the three notes in the left hand and then any of these in the right hand. Of course, you need to get the grasp of the rhythm. You'll start to understand which key will sound good. If we just go random keys, it's not gonna be as good, but it can still sound nice. So yeah, that's one way you can learn to improvise. That's the simplest way possible, probably. Now, to make this more difficult and to make it sound a lot better right away, we're gonna use our whole hand like so. And we're gonna make this movement. And before we continue with this video, I want to mention our sponsor, which is Skillshare. Skillshare, a great place to learn new skills or improve your already existing skills. Now they are offering 2 months free trial for the first 1,000 people who click the link below in the description. And that way you'll get access to Skillshare Premium and you can watch any class that is on Skillshare. Now, if we type in piano in the search bar, we can find this class by Kai Wen. That's the class I would recommend. It's about how to play the piano by ear, which is a great class not only for people who want to improve their skills at the piano, but also if you want to improve your skills as far as making melodies in FL Studio or wherever goes. So yeah, check it out, link below in the description. So you will get 2 months for free and then the price is as low as $10 a month. Now let's get back to the video. Now it may seem difficult at first, but if you practice it enough, you will learn it in no time. So basically, here is how it goes. Your pinky goes on the D note, then your pointer finger goes on A, and your thumb goes on the D note octave up. So this is the D note, this one as well. And basically you play those two and then one in the middle. And you keep this shape in your hand the whole time. So you move your hand, but the shape of your hand stays the same. So again, these two are the same notes, and then one in the middle, like so. And when I say in the middle, is 3 apart from the D and 2 apart from the D octave up. So there's always this space, and it's the same space anywhere you play it. And then we do the movement, so D, A, D, A, D, A, D, A, D, A, D, A. Now, if you want to make it even more difficult, which I wouldn't recommend if you are just starting out, you can actually put this note in there. So you skip one note, one white note, and then press the next one. And same for all the other ones as well. Now, let's keep it simpler for now with only these. If you got the left hand figured out, we can start playing any of the white notes in the right hand again. This time, let's use more fingers. So as you can hear, I repeat this one once, this one as well, and this one 2 times. So just remember this shape and you can use it anywhere on the keyboard. So if you want to change up the chords, you can do so as well. So now we have D, G, and A, but you can go anywhere. So just remember this position, and you can improvise anywhere with the white keys. It's really simple, so remember that. So this is one of the chord progressions I use a lot. Another one we can use is A, F, C, G, which is like the standard. A lot of people use it in a lot of songs. So let's try that. could play infinite number of songs with those chords. I like these ones more. They are more romantic. That is pretty much it. One more tip I will give you is some notes I find that go really well together, which is when you play the D chord. Well, it's not a chord, but when you play D in your left hand, and then skip one and press the next one, which is F in this case, that's really what sounds amazing. And again, if you keep this position in your hand or in your mind, it will sound well for all the other keys as well. So skip one, press the next one. So yeah, that's essentially how you can play the piano without having much skill, but this is great if you just want to play for yourself or, show off a bit, but especially good when you just want to relax and have some fun improvising. It's really simple, and I hope I explained it well enough so you can actually learn it. Of course, it's hard for me to explain because I myself don't know the music theory, so I just sort of go visually. I can see it and I know what works and what doesn't based on my experience. But yeah, just stick to the chords, keep your hand in the same position, and play any of the white keys. And they don't have to be one after another, you can just go crazy as well. And then you get mad. Anyways guys, that is pretty much it for this video. Let me know if you want more piano tutorials. I would like to teach you more because I feel like a lot of the piano tutorials out there are by someone who actually knows music theory and is really good at playing piano. And I'm just sort of average, but maybe the different perspective on playing the piano is helpful for some new beginner players as well. So yeah, that's how you can trick people into thinking that you know actually how to play the piano. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.